apple. I ate an apple for a snack. Apple. I ate an apple for a snack. Bag. She put her books in the bag. Bag. She put her books in the bag. Ball. The kids are playing with a ball. Ball. The kids are playing with a ball. Flower. She picked a flower from the garden. Flower. She picked a flower from the garden. Hat. She wears a hat on sunny days. Hat. She wears a hat on sunny days. Ice. She put ice in her drink. Ice. She put ice in her drink. Key. He lost his car key. Key. He lost his car key. Cake. They had a cake for her birthday. Cake. They had a cake for her birthday. Doctor. He visited the doctor for a checkup. Doctor. He visited the doctor for a checkup. Music. She enjoys listening to music. Music. She enjoys listening to music. Shoe. She bought a new pair of shoes. Shoe. She bought a new pair of shoes. Notebook. He writes in his notebook. Notebook. He writes in his notebook. Bed. He bought a new bed yesterday. Bed. He bought a new bed yesterday. Bottle. He drank water from a bottle. Bottle. He drank water from a bottle. Brother. My brother is older than me. Brother. My brother is older than me. Bus. I take the bus to school every day. Bus. I take the bus to school every day. Bird. A bird is singing in the tree. Bird. A bird is singing in the tree. Book. She is reading a book. Book. She is reading a book. Chair. Please sit on the chair. Chair. Please sit on the chair. Cat. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Cat. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Car. He drives a red car. Car. He drives a red car. Door. Please close the door behind you. Door. Please close the door behind you. Dress. She wore a pink dress to the party. Dress. She wore a pink dress to the party. Country. She lives in a peaceful country. Country. She lives in a peaceful country. Cup. She drank tea from the cup. Cup. She drank tea from the cup. Desk. He keeps his books in the desk. Desk. He keeps his books in the desk. Computer. He uses his computer for work. Computer. He uses his computer for work. Egg. He cooked an egg for breakfast. Egg. He cooked an egg for breakfast. Family. My family went on vacation. Family. My family went on vacation. Father. My father likes reading the newspaper. Father. My father likes reading the newspaper. Fruit. Eating fruit is good for health. Fruit. Eating fruit is good for health. Glass. He poured juice into a glass. Glass. He poured juice into a glass. Horse. She rode a horse at the farm. Horse. She rode a horse at the farm. House. They bought a new house. House. They bought a new house. Lake. The lake is calm and peaceful. Lake. The lake is calm and peaceful. Lamp. The lamp is on the table. Lamp. The lamp is on the table. Leaf. The leaf fell from the tree. Leaf. The leaf fell from the tree. Market. They buy fresh vegetables at the market. Market. They buy fresh vegetables at the market. Mountain. We climbed the mountain. Mountain. We climbed the mountain. Shoe. He wears black shoes to work. Shoe. He wears black shoes to work. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Shop. She bought a gift at the shop. Shop. She bought a gift at the shop. Sky. The sky is clear today. Sky. The sky is clear today. Spoon. He ate the soup with a spoon. Spoon. He ate the soup with a spoon. Soap. Wash your hands with soap. Soap. Wash your hands with soap. Star. A star shines brightly at night. Star. A star shines brightly at night. Umbrella. She uses an umbrella when it rains. Umbrella. She uses an umbrella when it rains. Garden. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Garden. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Bread. She baked fresh bread. Bread. She baked fresh bread. Woman. The woman is talking on the phone. Woman. The woman is talking on the phone. Tree. The tree has many green leaves. Tree. The tree has many green leaves. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Goodbye.